If you're a portrait photographer like myself, you've probably heard so much about which focal length is the best for portraits. Today, I want to show you why an 85mm lens is a must-have in your camera bag. Now, throughout this video, I'll be showcasing the brand new 7Artisans autofocus 85mm f1.8 for the L mount. And on this channel, we dive into the tools, techniques, and lighting for portrait photography. If that sounds like your thing, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, let's talk about why an 85mm might just be the best portrait lens you'll ever use. Let's start with the obvious, compression and perspective. At 85mm, you get a flattering natural look without distortion of a wider lens. Facial features are rendered beautifully, and you get a pleasing background separation without needing a massive shooting distance.
Yeah, that's cool. Right there. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah? Cool. Oh, yeah.
This is the focal length where you don't have to stand a mile away like you would using a 105 or 135mm prime lens, but you're not so close that it invades your subject's personal space.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, those are nice. Let me just show you real quick.
Now let's talk about that f1.8 background blur. With this 7Artisans lens, I'm getting beautiful creamy bokeh that makes my subject just pop off the background even in busy environments. And the bokeh from this lens, it's got character, smooth, slightly vintage vibes without going overboard. You get that cinematic separation that filmmakers love and that creamy depth photographers chase. So why this lens? The 7Artisans autofocus 85mm f1.8 is one of the most affordable autofocus portrait lenses for L mount. Built with a metal body, it feels solid without being too heavy, and paired with the Panasonic S5 Mark II, it's snappy, accurate, and very responsive. I was pleasantly surprised by the autofocus speed, especially for a third-party lens. Face and eye detection work really well, and the tracking stays locked even wide open. Right there. For budget-conscious creators, this is a legit alternative to more expensive 85mm prime lenses available for the L mount camera, without major compromises in image quality. Out in the field, the lens stays sharp where it counts and renders skin tones beautifully. I didn't notice major chromatic aberrations or flaring, even when shooting backlit.
Yeah, more toward an angle. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's like that. I got two good ones for that there.
This lens delivers files that are easy to work with in post, good contrast, clean colors, and plenty of detail. To wrap up, the 85mm focal length is a classic for a reason, and the 7Artisans autofocus 85mm f1.8 gives photographers and filmmakers on a budget a real chance to step up their portrait game. If you shoot with Lumix or any L-mount camera, this lens is 100% worth checking out. Drop your questions or your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear how you use an 85mm in your work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more content just like this. Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.